Good day, folks. Bill Hubbard, Coldwell Banker. This is your real estate market review for the Shuswap Revelstoke area for November of 2025. It's very, very similar to the North Okanagan, a flat, relatively balanced market. And again, it seems like it's worse than it is simply because we were coming off such a boom in the post-COVID years of 2021, 2022, that kind of thing. So if you look at the absorption is at 13% in the very bottom level of that balanced market range. But and it is inching down. Pretty much all markets saw a little bit of a little jump in the market that was very, very optimistic in October, and then it's kind of calmed right down again in November. If you look at the sales in November, these are housing sales for the Shuswap Revelstoke area. There was 27 in November of 2025. Last year there was 29. Year before there was 29. So it's a fairly flat market. Prices have basically leveled off. It's interesting if you take a look at the average. This is called a running average. So I take January of 2025 and do shift click. It highlights all the months between January and November of 2025. Right over here in this little corner here, it says the average of the averages. So this is the average of every house sold in the Shuswap Revelstoke area for 2025 so far. And it's 750,413. If you go back to January of 2024 and go down to November of 2024, November of 2024, and look down over here in that same figure, it's 749,000. So the average of every house sold so far, year to date, is basically the same in 2025 as it was, the price, the same as it was in 2024. So that's a flat market. I think we will see some increase in the market like the rest of the province, other than the Lower Mainland. We'll see an increase in the market in 2026 as the full effect of the interest rate starts to hit the public and people start jumping off the fence and buying. But you're not going to see a big upturn in the market. That may happen in 2027, but that's too far out to predict. You're going to see a slight increase in the market in 2026. That's your real estate market review for the Shuswap Revelstoke area for November of 2025.